Hey everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every weekday morning at 8 and on Saturdays at 9, I come and start our day with a little crafting fun and creativity. This week, we have been focusing on the Simply Citrus All-Inclusive Card Kit. Now, this kit is great for beginners because it comes with everything you need to make these 15 cards. There are 5 designs, 3 each. And we've been doing a few alternate ideas along the way. So, like all week, I am going to do the one that is featured in the catalog, and then we're going to just bump it up just a little bit to give it a little extra pizzazz. Just a note, I was going through my spreadsheets last night and looking at everything. I'm getting ready for my Dog Days of Summer retreat, which is the last weekend in July. It is virtual this time, and boy, have I got some amazing projects planned for all of my retreat goers. But I was doing some counting last night, and I've got 3 more spots available. So if you're interested in joining me for my Dog Days of Summer virtual retreat, hop on over to my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. Check out the events tab, all right, and scroll down to the Dog Days of Summer. As I said, I still have 3 spots available. Today we're looking at this Mango Melody card front. And what goes inside this one is super sweet, super simple. It has this little banner that has these adorable little lemons and little grapefruit and little slices, okay? And we're going to put this right here. But, as you know, I like dimensionals, and I'm not sure, oh, here it is. I'm not sure where my big thing, dimensionals is, but it's right here. All right, and so we're just going to layer these up, pop them off the page. I ordered all my pillow gifts for retreat last night. Oh my gosh, so adorable. My goodie bag should be here this week. It's just, you guys, it's gonna be a blast. And I can't think of a better way to spend a super hot summer weekend than crafting with my friends, albeit virtually. We'll be doing Zoom, we'll be doing a couple Facebooks, and there is gonna be the coolest party on Saturday night. You won't believe it. I can't believe I've never done anything like this before. It'll be so fun. All right, so what I did was I had some of this variegated Calypso coral ribbon, and I'm just going to leave a long tail here. 3. Come over here. Now, because I took those dimensionals off first, what was she thinking? Oh my goodness, ripped that one right off. I'm gonna put that right here on my card, okay? Then I'm gonna come over here, and on the right-hand side, I'm gonna tie a pretty little bow. It is kind of dark in here this morning. It's gonna be overcast and humid. Ugh. Okay, looking good. And then I've got this. Isn't this a cute little shape? We're going to take the leaves that came with that stamp set, and let's stamp those in the Night of Navy, because that's the color we're focusing on, right? So if all you've got is that Night of Navy Stampin' Spot, this is what we're going to use. Okay, ink those up. And I think, let me look here. So here's the stamp we're using. It says, "Thanks for being you." Yeah. Let's stamp that off once and just once. Okay. Thanks for being you. Not a fan. What do you think? So let's turn it over. Hey! I didn't know that. My goodness. There's stitching on that side, not on that side, so we're great. All right. Let's grab that stamp set. And I'm going to go with this little super cute fruit. All right? And let's stamp that in Calypso Coral. I know. Oh, I'm supposed to do this the way it's... All right, you're right. You're right. This one is supposed to go exactly like the... See, it's really hard for me to follow directions, y'all. Okay. No one's going to see that, I promise. Not unless you point it out to them. Here I was being crafty and creative with you, and I had to follow directions. I'm terrible at that. It's like following a recipe. Do you follow a recipe exactly to the letter? Thanks for being you. There you go. Made exactly like it is in the kit. Whew! That was a close call. If you follow directions exactly to the letter, type directions below. And if you think of directions as merely a suggestion, type suggestion below. Okay. So now we've got basically the same pieces. We've got that same Mango Melody card front. We have that cute little design label, and it does have stitching around it. So we're going to make sure that we take advantage of that, because I didn't know that. I still have the floral banner, but then I have a piece of Mango Melody that I've brought in. And that Mango Melody is at 2 3/4 by 4, and I'm going to cut another banner out of this. And watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold this. Let's see. I have to think. Oh, it's hard to think sometimes. All right, I had to dig in my trash. Here, how did we do that? All right, so I've already cut one. So I'm going to take these scissors. All right, so basically, I lined it up at the top, like so, okay? And you're going to hold it there. And then you're going to take your snips and cut right along here. I had to think how I did that. So you're going to have an exact, come on, and it's going to match your banner. So if you have one and you think, oh, I wish I could do that, but I'll never get it at the right angle, just hold it up, and now it's perfect, okay? Whew, that was a recipe for disaster. I have my seal here. Whoopsie. I'm going to put my glasses on. Oh, that makes a world of difference. Line that up. Then I have one more very fun piece. Do you remember those square vellum doilies that are in the Peony Garden Suite? We're going to use one of these, okay? But we're only going to use a little bit. I'm going to cut some off here. I'll save the rest for later. And I'm going to attach that just to the edge to give it just a little bit of a scallopy look there. And I'm going to attach it with my dimensionals. Okay, those seem pretty secure now. think I need one right there, don't you? Okay. Oh, that'll be pretty. It's a little bit crooked. We can fix that. Okay, and it looks like, yep, there's a few little pieces that needed punched out, and we've got that taken care of. I see some new faces out here this morning. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Kim. Wow. It's great to see everybody. Okay. This is not cooperating. Now I'm going to put this right here. Now we can make this the way I want to. My goodness. All right, so I have Calypso Coral, and I'm going to stamp this off 1 time, 2 times. Grab my stamping spot. All right, ready? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, right in the center. It's just going to give a little bit of color, and then stamp in Night of Navy right over the top. Oh yeah, that's fun. Okay, then let's add some dimensionals behind that. Lisa said she follows directions. Good morning, Michelle. You put in your Christmas pre-order or your fall mini catalog pre-order? Oh my goodness, girl, we need to talk. I want to see what she got. I haven't even made my list yet. Kind of like Santa Claus, making a list, checking it twice. I'm focusing on this Dog Days of Summer retreat. I'm so excited about that. I'm not ready to place pre-order yet. That's the cool thing about being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, though, is being able to place that Christmas or any holiday catalog pre-order before anybody else. Thanks for being you. Put some fun little baker's twine behind there. My goodness. Oh, that's right. It's bonus days coupons, everyone. Today's the beginning of bonus days. For every $50 spent, you get a $5 coupon to use in August. What could be better than that? I really don't know, to tell you the truth. All right, I'm going to add some of these little orange blossom embellishments. Oh, come on. There we go. You know what? I never follow a straight line. Let's try that. Like that. And you know what? Let's do one more thing. We're really going over the top with this one, guys. All right, so let's look in my box O embellishments here. There, that's what I'm looking for, right there. And I'm gonna take some of these little pearls and just put them right on here. Now, that's a thank you card. This is cute and fun. This is adorable. All right. Thanks for watching. I think I'm going to have to go place my pre-order as well as finishing up my Dog Days of Summer retreat order. Again, I have 3 places at my retreat left. If you would like to save your spot, head over to my blog or IM me down below. It's www.makingmemorieswithmichelle. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye-bye.